Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to see how to set the footer for our website. So this is the final video of this web design. So before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit on the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be getting a notification on it. Do follow me on my Instagram page as well. So let's get into the video. You can see that in previous video, we have set this image and we have worked with the form. So in this video, we are particularly going to see how to set this footer. So let us open footer. Here we have finished all the sections. So section 5 also is done. So now footer design, we are going to do it inside footer itself. You can do it here, but we'll do it inside footer. For footer, just add footer tag and let's give a h5 tag here. So for footer, if you see the background color is black, right? So let's go tell class is equal to bg black. So I've added a class which is bg black. Let's go reload this page. So you can't see because we have not added anything here. Let's add simple dummy data here and reload once again. You can see I've got that black color footer. Now we have to design according to this, which has 4 containers. 4 column. And we have one copyright here. So let's do one by one. So first we are going to design this image along with this FontAwesome. So let's go here and remove this. Now let's add a section here and name it as section footer. Okay. So this is my section. After that, container, row, column, MD 3. So we are going to divide it into 4, right? So it is 3. You can add a margin top of 3 here. And first thing is that we are going to set the image, right? Add a image tag and tell assets images. And which is that image? You can just check this. I think this logo.png. So we are going to set this logo.png and tell here footer image, or else you can tell footer image itself. So in place, if that image is not displaying, we'll get this message. For this page, we have got that footer image. Next thing is that we have to set the FontAwesome, right? So for FontAwesome, we have to add a link. Okay, so we have to add a link. Let's go to FontAwesome official website. To get the CDN link, you can just type FontAwesome CDN link. Take the first link, which is FontAwesome libraries. And here you will have the first link. You can see the CSS all minified. So just go for FontAwesome. Here you have 6. This is the latest version, I think. Just copy the tag and go to your header and paste it inside header. So I've just added the link there and I'm gonna give a comment line telling this as FontAwesome. So FontAwesome. Here I have added a sample to check if this is working. So here I have added YouTube. Let us see if this is working. Just cut this here and pasted it here. FontAwesome CDN. Now I'll just reload. Okay, I'll just remove this background color for now. So I'm just removing this color. So here I've got the YouTube icon, you can see. So how to get this icon is just go to FontAwesome. Not the link, just go to this official website. So here you will have many things. Click on icons and here you can search for the icon that you want. Suppose if you want Facebook, let me tell. I don't know if Facebook available. Okay, it is available. So let's copy this and paste it here. Let's see if this is getting displayed. So go back, reload this page. And here you go, you get Facebook. So this is how you get the FontAwesome. Why I took the background color is that this is also in black. here we have to set this to white, correct? So that is the reason. So now it's time to set this accordingly. I'll create one div tag here. So I'll just tell this as dot, what can I give? I'll tell social media. So social media is my div tag. So I've created that div tag. Inside this div tag, I'm just gonna paste this. Cut, paste. Now let me go and reload and check. So I have got this here below, right? I've got it down. Okay, now I want that to be in white color, correct? I want that to be white color, so that what I can do is I can copy the social media. Okay, I can copy the social media, or else let's go here, right click on this, inspect. So here I have div of social media, right? Where is that? Elements. Here, let us scroll. Okay, it's fine. So click on the social media, and here just add, you can just add margin top 20 pixel. So when you added that margin top, you got that a little bit down, right? So I think this is fine. But if you want to add color as well, you can add. Let me add text white there. Text white. Okay, I think I have to give color. So color, text white. So text white color is not accepting. So let's see that. So here for this social media, I've set margin top of 30 pixels. So I have to go to custom.css, and here I can tell social media and set this here. Now let us go reload and check if that is getting set. So this is set now. Let us go make this to BG black here. Let's make this BG black. BL, and let us make this as text white here. Add a class inside this and check if this is working. Okay, so I've added a class there and reload this. So I've got white. So this is how you do. Okay, the black one has not been seen. So let us go here again and add the same text white there. Copy, paste. Okay, for spacing, I think you can give ME3. I think 3 would be fine. So when you give ME3, what just happened was it just moved a little bit, right? So similar way, we'll just add for few more tags. That is, we'll just copy Twitter, WhatsApp, and one more something else. We'll just copy from here, which is Twitter. So here I have, let's copy this. I've copied and I will paste it here. Okay, so what we have, Facebook, we have LinkedIn. So let's go LinkedIn. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, right? So here let's tell LinkedIn. So here I have the LinkedIn. So I've got this. Let me copy this, and so let's paste it here. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, and then comes the Twitter, right? Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So here YouTube is already there, which we have copied. So let's cut this from here and add it here. And here, let us go take Instagram from here. Remove Instagram. I've just told Instagram. So I've got this here. Let's copy this and paste it here. Okay. So let's cut. And here for YouTube, you can see the icon that we have got is different, and the icon that here it is different. So you have to search for those icons. Okay. So let's see if we get that. So here in this case, you don't have. Maybe in later versions, you can check for versions. YouTube. No, it is of the same. But in olden version you have that icon, so that is why you have got this, but in latest version we don't have, so that's okay, that's completely okay. So here let us add the same class and all the margin. So here add, copy paste, I'm just copy pasting it. So here also copy paste. Okay, let's reload. So we have got all the icons here, so the exact icon we have got. So the first section is set. Now the second is that let's close this. Inside this row itself we have to create, so column md3, let's tell margin top 3 here and reload. So the next column that we have is, here you can see we have this, we have done that, here it's done. And here we have to do is that our special menu. So for this what you have to do is just in an h4 tag. So here I have created, right, so this is one, and let's tell column md3, this is one, add margin top 3, and here you have another which is column md3 and margin top 3. Okay, so here what you have to do is first you have to give the heading, which is our special menu. So for heading what we'll do is we'll just tell it in a h4 tag, add a class for this h4 tag, because our text would come in black color, so we'll be displaying the text in black color, so you can just tell this as text white. Okay, and then if you want to add the spacing as well, you can do that. So here I'll give margin top of 3 here as well. Reload this page now. So here you have got nothing because we have added nothing, and inside this h4 tag we are going to tell our special menu, right? So our special menu. So after this we got this our special menu. Let's see, we have got this. Okay, here I think the spacing is problem. Let us remove this and reload. Now it's fine. Next, let us make this to smaller case. Special menu. We have here one div tag, right? So div tag, you can copy the same div tag which we have done previously. Let's go to index, and here you will have one div tag, right? So here I have one div which is inside this row, so I'm just copying this div tag itself and pasting it inside this after this h4. Let's see what is the output and then we'll design accordingly. So the output is like this. For this, just remove this auto MEMS and let that margin bottom be there and reload. So you got this, and next thing you have is list of items. So you can just use div tag, or you can use that list also you can use. Okay, I am just going with div tag. So after this I will have, let me tell this as footer links. Okay, inside this footer links I will have a tag. So this a tag I'm going to tell as pizza. Why I have given a tag is that you can see this tags, right? This tags here. Okay, now it's not clickable, but then I'll show you. So inside this a tags you have given pizza, so this becomes clickable now. So this I have to design accordingly, so I'll just do that. Before that I'll just add a class also for this, which is, I can tell this as text white. Let's see if I'm getting it in white color. I'm not getting, so the class will not work here. So cut this class and add a class to this a tag and paste it. Oh, so this works, and we have got it in white color. So now I don't want that thing, right? So here also I can do one thing is that I can add it as footer link. Footer link. I can add this here instead of here. I'll just remove this, and this footer link I'll copy and go to custom CSS. Here what I'll do is with a dot I'll paste and tell text decoration, text decoration, give none. Now you can see the difference what it just happened. So what we'll do is we'll just copy paste this A tag two more times. That is, we have pizza, burger, and momo. Let's reload this. So it is coming in this way, but I don't want it to be this way. So for that, what you can do is you can either add a break tag here. Okay, add a break tag. Or what you can do is you can just create another div tag and do for each. Okay, so the link that you give here, it will just redirect. So that's it about this section. So you can see we have achieved the same section here as well. And the next is that we have quick links. Let us quickly do this also. So this also is gonna be the same. So which is from here, right? Let us close this and copy from this h4 tag till here and paste it here. So what we'll be doing only small changes, so let's do that. So let's give the heading quick links, and we have the underline there. So the rest what we have is home, about us, service, contact. So this also just change here, home, about us, service, and we have one more which is contact, so add a break tag there. Contacts. Okay, let's go reload this and check. So we have got that, home, about, service, contact us. So next we have here is this. Let's do this also. So here you can see the font is different, but here the font is different. Maybe here the font is not changed, but here the font is changed. You can do that also. Here also I'm just copy paste the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna tell contact us. What was that? Contact us. Just tell contact us. Reload. We have got contact us. Here we have to change a little bit, that is we have the location. We don't require all this. We are not going to paste it in a hey tag. We need the design of that icon, right? So we'll copy this icon, or else you can just go here and search for location. Okay, so tell location, click on enter. So here you have location. Let's copy this dot one, copy this, and you can just paste it here. For this to add the location, right? So we will be adding after this. So just tell Bangalore. Okay, and after this, if you want, here I think you don't have that read more. You do. So here we have read more. So you can just add. Let's remove this Bangalore. Okay. So let us remove, or else wait. Let me add a tag here. Bangalore. After this, let me add a tag and tell this as read more. So this is a simple link, right? So let's see the output of this. Reload. You can see Bangalore read more, but I want, this is not supporting, guys. This location is not supporting. So that is why you got a X. Let's make this. Let us make this to text white. Dot is not working. For that, we'll just copy the similar location. Oh, that is pro version. So I'll just copy this. Okay, here I have. And I can just give a class until text white. Correct. And let's see what is output for this first. So I've got it here. Let's tell ME1. I'll just move a little bit that thing. So that's moved. And here I want this also to be in label. Okay. And I'll paste this. Add a class for this label. And tell this as text white. Come back. Reload again. Now you have Bangalore. So why here this is another thing is I think I have added a paragraph tag there. So next is the phone and inquiry. We'll quickly do that by copying the same thing. I mean, let's tell this as location. Add a class for this as location. Similar way you can just copy, paste, paste and tell this as phone. And the other thing was email, right? So you can tell this as email. And let's go copy the phone from here. Tell phone, copy and paste it here. So I've just pasted for the third one. For second one, just paste it. And here you can just tell phone. Or if you are not willing to tell phone, you can just tell plus 91. Okay, sorry. So I've given some random 10-digit number. And here I think you don't require the read mode option. Let's cut that. And the next thing is email. Scroll up, close this and type email. Copy this envelope and just paste it here and tell this as queries at the rate. Okay, read more is not required here. So for everything you have to give that class name. Okay, don't forget to give that class name. So copy paste this class and give it here as well as here. Now let's go reload this and check for the output. So here you have this. For this you can add the margin top to give the margin bottom. Let me give 2. Here also I'll give margin bottom 2. Give margin bottom 2. Reload. I think it's fine now. After this queries we have one copyright. Let's see how to do that. Before that let us close this. And you can, I think you can add a margin bottom of 3 here. Okay, let's add that first. Before that, let us go here. Let's create another section. Section dot copyright. So this section is for copyright. I can tell py of 3 and here I'll just give that border top. Go back, reload. So here you got one horizontal line. You can just add HR also. HR means horizontal line. So try with HR also and do let me know in the comment section. So here after this I'm gonna add a container row and column MD 12. I'm gonna tell this whatever that I am typing, just text it to the align it to the center. So I'll just give one class name which is text center. Here after this inside paragraph tag I'm just going to add a class because I want the text to be white. So I'll add a class for this as text white. Okay, And after that, inside this, I'm gonna add a text. So for copyright, we have one symbol which is at the rate, ampersand, no, ampersand and copy. We have this copy, okay. And when you do this, so what this does is it will just give that copyright symbol. So make sure spelling is correct. COPY. So copy. So it will give that copyright symbol. That's it. And you can tell here copyright. And here you can just echo that date. So the current date you can just do that echo. I'm just doing date and only the year I'm taking. Okay, which is Y. And after this, I will just tell reserved by Sneha Codes. Copyright reserved by Sneha Codes. Add a full stop. Let's go reload this and check the output. So here you have copyright reserved by Sneha Codes. So if you want this, you can make it to, I think you can add a span tag here and cut this, paste it here. In the dot, we'll just cut and paste and then add a class as text color. So what that will do is it will make the text to red. So go back, reload. Here you go. You have copyright, which is the current year is 23, reserved by Sneha Codes. The same is been done here, but yeah, that's it, guys. So that's it in this video. I have shown you how to design the footer. So the complete web design is done. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.